As the sun rises over Deerfield Valley, snow drifts gently down from the cloudy sky. Last night's storm has left a lot of snow for Johnny Tractor and his friends to move. "Follow me," Johnny Tractor says to his pal Eddie Excavator. Friends always pull together. Great job! This holiday celebration is the best in the history of Deerfield Valley, and it's all thanks to the power of teamwork. And you!